Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become Certified SolidWorks Professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass SolidWorks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In this lecture, we're going to look at the tool Instant 3D. In the sketching chapter, we showed how to use a tool Instant 2D. And now we're going to show how to use a tool Instant 3D. So let's go to Features and let's go to Instant 3D. Let's click this tool. And now we can click here on this face. And now we can see all of our dimensions. So we use this tool when we want to have a quick modification of our solid feature. So for example, now we can just once click here on the 100 and you can change this dimension to 150 like this, or this 150 and we can change this to 80 like this. And here we have this dimension, just one click. Let's go to 100. So this is the fast modification of our solid feature. As well, we can click here on this dot like this, and now we can see the ruler here. And now we can drag this up and down on the ruler. If we go with mouse on the ruler, now we can go millimeter by millimeter up and down. And now, for example, if we want to go to 192, now we can see the arrow, green arrows here, and we can release mouse here. And now we have 182. As well, we can go with this dimension to this point here, and we can drag this point here along this ruler like this. Let's go to 110 and OK. As well, we can do this here. Drag this, let's go for example to 40 like this. So with Instant 3D you can make a really fast modification on your solid feature. If you're tired of watching on YouTube videos and buying cheap courses who always leave you wishing and wanting for more, and you want to have personal support to learn the SolidWorks from the absolute zero to the professional level to improve and start your career, check the link below and visit our Super SolidWorks Accelerator Academy. As well, if you like this video, click like and subscribe.